The information card displays all metadata associated with a part or system. By default, the information sheet of a part presents the main metadata from the model, chosen by the model integrator. Name. Subsystem. System. It also presents geometric and positioning information. The translation of the part relative to its parent. The center of its bounding box. The dimension of its bounding box. The diameter of the sphere that encloses it. Metadata can be complex objects. They can be enriched with tables, comments, links, keywords, or various indications. These are implemented by the designer and/or the model integrator. It is possible to attach documents to the metadata, such as a photo of the part for download or in HTML, or pre-recorded annotations by the integrator. Hierarchy. It is possible to trace the hierarchy of each part to identify or select the set to which it belongs by clicking on the nodes of its branch. Some nodes have colored badges. The blue badge indicates the presence of an attached document. The green badge indicates one or more annotations. Display choices, custom GUI. Show all fields. You can choose to display all the information about the part and its hierarchy in the product structure. You then get all the available information. Edit favorite fields. You can decide which important information the sheet should show by clicking on Edit favorite fields. This action will apply to all ID cards of the parts in the model and will be retained during future consultations. Reset favorite fields to default. This allows only the information integrated by the administrator to be displayed. Show only active annotations. You can decide to show all or part of the annotations inserted in the model by clicking on the appropriate button. Quick filtering. The display of metadata can be abundant. You can choose to quickly filter information by characteristics or attributes. Context menu. A right-click on a mention of the information card opens a context menu, offering several options. Keep. Allows you to keep a part within a filter that will be added to an existing layer or a new layer. Discard. Allows you to create a layer of your choice and set its state to invisible. This is useful for hiding a part or a set. Select. Allows you to create a layer of your choice and set its state to inactive. This is useful for coloring, for example. Copy. Allows you to copy the name. Copy part item. Allows you to copy all the part informations. Copy element. Allows you to copy the values to duplicate them in a text file or spreadsheet.